Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the step-by-step process of downloading Microsoft Office 365. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to boost productivity, Office 365 offers a variety of tools to help you achieve your goals. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Go to the Office 365 website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Microsoft Office website. You can do this by typing Office 365 Download in your search engine or by directly entering the URL www.microsoft.com and use Microsoft 365. Step 2. Sign in or create an account. If you already have a Microsoft account, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up for the free trial or create an account to set one up. Follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Step 3. Choose your Office 365 plan. Once signed in, navigate to the Office 365 plans available. Microsoft typically offers various subscriptions, including personal, family, student, and business plans. Click on the plan that best suits your needs and then select Buy Now or Try for Free for the trial options. Step 4. Complete your purchase. If you're purchasing a plan, you'll need to enter your payment details. Make sure to review the pricing and terms before finalizing your order. For free trials, you may need to enter your payment information, but you won't be charged until the trial period is over. Step 5. Download Office 365. After confirming your purchase or free trial, you will be directed to the Office 365 dashboard. Look for the option to install Office on the home page. Click on it, and the installation file will begin downloading to your computer. Step 6. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder or the designated location. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 7. Activate Office 365. After the installation is complete, open any Office app, like Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account again. Once logged in, the software will automatically activate, granting you access to all features and applications. Step 8. Start using Office 365. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed Microsoft Office 365. Explore the various applications available, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and more. You're now ready to enhance your productivity and tackle your projects with ease. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. And if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Happy working with Office 365.